1, 2, 3, 4. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have video by Cameron Dallas. Likely I just was about to do this song yesterday, but I figured out the chords and everything, but I was actually too tired to make a video, so I actually got delayed. But today I'm back over here, and this is a song where you just have one thing going throughout the whole. So therefore you have no structure. Like you got the verse, chorus, but it's the same thing going throughout the whole song. Just 3 chords, and that also I can say actually 1 chord, because 1 chord we have, and we are actually using the variation of this chord. So let's have a look at the chords. Pretty easy, pretty basic, no capo stance tuning. So let's get started. First chord will be a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add your pinky over here on the 3rd fret of that, what do you call that, D string, and you got your index finger on 1st fret of the B string. Get that bar on that 1st fret of the high E string, and remove your, it's optional, you can just put that also, doesn't matter also, because it's actually pressed over here down. So this is a C sus 4, we got the 4 over here and also over here. So instead of that 3rd we have the 4th, so C sus 4 we got. So which is basically mute 3 3 open 1 1. Showed you the way to play that. And then another variation of the chord is a C sus 2. What you do is you want subtraction. So subtraction means you're subtracting the 3rd chord from where you get that minor and major. So this one is a 3rd, we get a minor and major. So you just remove that, and so it becomes an open on the D string, and fortunately the D is the 2 over here for the C major chord. So it's 1 2 5. So it's basically mute, then 3rd fret on the A string, open on the D string, open on the G string, 1st fret on the B string, and high E string open. So shape actually remains same, you just have to remove some fingers, put some fingers, and that's it. I know you know the chords. Have a look at the chord progression, goes throughout the whole song in a loop. We start off playing a C major, C sus 4 chord, then a C major, then a C sus 2, and that's it. That goes on repeatedly. And just have a look at the string pattern, it's very important. So just have a look. I'm just going to break the string pattern right now. So just hold the C major chord right now, and now the string pattern will be down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. So down, down, you got 2 downs, down, down, then you will do up, down, up, down. Then on the next down we actually have like that accent, we have that, we're just going to focus on that beat. So we're just going to do a down which is a bit louder than the other. So you get that beat on. So we get the beat over here. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Now you have down. And after that you play a down up and you move on to the next chord. Now this down up is normal like the other. So you got down, down, up, down, 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 up. Just that down is like the 3rd down. I think it's the 3rd stroke from the end. It's only just that we have the beat on, emphasis on the beat. That's it. So except that all are same. So we've got down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, down. I've practiced that for a little bit of time. Actually, very much familiar with that. So chord progression, let's play on that once for each chord and you're done. So that's it for the song, and now I'm just gonna play that a couple of times to make that super clear for you guys, and this goes throughout the whole song. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible, and drop me one of these, and if it's up to you, I'll drop a comment down below, or any other song that you want on guitar. So let's get started. 1 2 3 4. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. Up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Add, remove, remove, shuffle, immediate, shuffle. And that's it for the song, guys. So I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.